Good morning, grade 2s. Welcome to Tuesday. Today in English, we will be doing a comprehension, and this comprehension will be about birds. So I know you've been learning lots of different facts about mammals and reptiles and amphibians, and you will also have looked at birds because I saw some beautiful feathers that you've been drawing and creations you've made. So I hope you've enjoyed this theme. And now the comprehension will teach you even more information about birds. Okay, let's start by reading this comprehension. I want you to read this first part by yourself. So press pause and read it from the beginning to the end on this slide. Okay, have you read it yourself? Let's now read it together. A bird has 2 legs and 2 wings. The wings help them to fly. They are made of feathers. Feathers help to keep a bird warm. Birds have wings and tail feathers. They keep their feathers oiled. Let's move on. Again, I would like you to read this by yourself. Press pause. Okay, let's read together. They can fold back their wings. They do this when they are not flying. Birds get new feathers every year. Birds are very light. Their bones are hollow. Last bit, read it by yourself, please. Okay, let's finish off. Birds have different kinds of feet. Their beaks tell us what kind of food they eat. Birds can see and hear very well. Their eyes are on the sides of their head. Okay, so that's our comprehension. That's the story. Let's have a look now at the questions. First question. Why are birds very light? 2. When do birds get new feathers? 3. Where are the eyes of the bird? 4. What do the beaks of the bird tell us? 5. Why do birds have wings? 6. What is your favorite bird and why? And 7, you are going to draw a picture of a peacock. So those are the questions, boys and girls. We will look at the story again, but while we're reading the story again, make sure you are thinking of these questions and spotting where the answers are. Because remember, most answers come from the story, unless it's asking you your own opinion. Then you can write about what you think. But for the factual things, like why do birds have wings, it's in the story. So you've got to get the answer from the story. Okay, so let's start reading again. Read along with me. A bird has 2 legs and 2 wings. The wings help them to fly. They are made of feathers. Feathers help to keep a bird warm. Birds have wings and tail feathers. They keep their feathers oiled. They can fold back their wings. They do this when they are not flying. Birds get new feathers every year. Birds are very light. Their bones are hollow. Birds have different kinds of feet. Their beaks tell us what kind of food they eat. Birds can see and hear very well. Their eyes are on the sides of their head. Okay, so that's the story there. That's the slide that you will need to refer to when you are answering the questions. So this is the slide you must come back to. Okay, so let's have a look at our questions again. Firstly, boys and girls, get out your English books and let's set up for the answers, because I'm going to go through the answers with you one by one. So get your English books out. Write the date, 28 July 2020, and the heading, Birds Comprehension. Sorry, I'm seeing the picture of the peacock and I'm thinking it's all about peacocks, but it's not. It's about birds. So your heading, Birds Comprehension. Make sure you have drawn in your cats. Okay, so press pause on the video while you get all of that organized. Question 1. Let's look. Why are birds very light? Okay, so boys and girls, you have to answer this in a full sentence. So this is how your sentence could start. Birds are very light because. So you press pause now. You answer question 1. Birds are very light because. Question 2. When do birds get new feathers? When do birds get new feathers? So how are you going to start your answer? Birds get new feathers when da da da. Birds get new feathers when. Question 3. Where are the eyes of the bird? Where are the eyes of the bird? So how do we answer? The eyes of the bird are dot dot dot. The eyes of the bird are and you fill in the rest. Number 4. What do the beaks of the bird tell us? What do the beaks of the bird tell us? Okay, so how do you answer? The beaks of the bird tell us. The beaks of the bird tell us. Question 5. Why do birds have wings? Why do birds have wings? So you will answer, birds have wings because. Birds have wings because. And your answer there. Question 6. What is your favorite bird and why? So then you will say, my favorite bird is, and whatever it is, because, and you will explain why. So my favorite bird is the parrot, for example, because I love all its colors and that it can talk. Okay, so you have to explain why. And then the final question, which is actually just a picture, you are going to draw a picture of a peacock. Now in the next video, I've put a video clip of a peacock opening up its wings. So you can, when you finish doing all your questions or your writing, number 1 to 6, then move on to the next slide and enjoy the video. Press pause where you would like to help you to draw the picture of the peacock. Good luck, enjoy. I'm excited to see your full sentences and your beautiful peacocks.